Happy New Year, everyone. It's Michelle, your Concord home strategist. If you're thinking about getting into real estate, or if you're already in it and wondering how to actually make it work, I want to share just a little bit of my journey. My first full year in real estate, which was 2024, I closed 21 transactions for $8.2 million. And 2025 closed 21, but this time for $12.2 million. So growth is absolutely possible. So how do you do it too? Well, first, surround yourself with the right people, whether that's a team or a mentorship plan or a coach. Being in the right environment changes everything. Then put the non-negotiables on your calendar and actually do them. So that's going to be role play. It's going to be lead generation. Once you have deals under contract, that's also negotiation time. Once it's on your schedule, that's when you do it. Don't move it. You need to be a resource and a salesperson. This is a sales job, but people are making a very important decision. They need to trust you with what is maybe the biggest financial transaction they're going to make that year. So take the time to take the classes and read the books that you need to feel confident being that resource. Then track your numbers. It's easy to say, I did enough, but what did you do? Track things like your calls, your conversations, maybe follow-up, how many appointments. Then you can start looking at your ratios. How many calls does it take to get an appointment? If you can't answer those questions, you don't know where to improve yet. Remember, consistency beats perfection. So just do it. You don't need to reinvent yourself. You don't have to create a shiny new brand. You do need to be you. Be authentic, and the right people will connect with that. And then things will start to click. When they do, protect your personal life. Make time for family time, the kids, exercise, your just sit on the couch and do nothing time. Whatever that is, burnout can sneak in if you let yourself work 24 hours a day. So protect that time for yourself as well. If I can build a business like this in just 2 years, then you can do it too. Surround yourself well, stay consistent, be yourself, and take care of you. Then watch what happens. What's working for you? Let us know in the comments. So, will 2026 be your best year in real estate? Make it your New Year's resolution, and it absolutely will.